just say yes. Listen, in the spirit of Christmas, I got a couple of trucks for you, white and red, that we're gonna talk about here at Allentown Kia. All right, we have this 2015 Chevy Silverado LTZ that I'm gonna tell you a little bit about. All right, guys, we have a 5.3 liter, 355 horsepower with 383 pounds of torque. Look at this beautiful engine. All right, guys, LTZ means this truck is loaded. Heated and cooling seats, backup camera, lane departure warning, navigation, it's got it all. We got this 2014 F-150, 3.5 liter, EcoBoost V6, 365 horsepower with 420 pounds of torque. Let's take a look. All right, listen guys, it's a trimmer. It's an FX4, which means you're gonna have the black with the red stitching seats, and it does have the bed cover. All right guys, it's a 2016, the big boy, 6.6 liter, Duramax 2500, diesel with 445 horsepower. Let's take a look. All right guys, it's a C71. It's got the nitro tires with the XD series wheels. And on top of that, it does have the spray-in bed liner, and because of such a big lift that it has on it, all right, guys, Z71, leather seats, heated and cooling seats, navigation, backup camera, lane departure warning. There isn't anything that this truck is missing. All right, guys, 3 great trucks, 1 unique place. Don't forget about the great sale that's going on here at Allentown Kia. Don't forget, not just Kias at Allentown Kia. 2350 Lehigh Street. Tony Janelle, Allentown Kia, where we just say yes. See you soon.